What's going on, guys? It's Sacha here, and today in this video I'm going to be talking to you guys about the benefits of running a side hustle. So let's get into it. So what are the benefits of running a lucrative side hustle? So obviously with the side hustle you're generating yourself an income. So what is that going to lead to? It's going to lead yourself to a greater savings. So you're going to be able to create a savings and establish savings for yourself, which you could then use in case as an emergency stash when needed. I'm sure you guys' parents always say save money for rainy days, because in case you ever need it, you have that money saved so you're not financially in trouble and you're able to sustain whatever you need to sustain. And it's also important to consider the money that you save. You could also invest it to help it grow, make your money work for itself. I also made another video on that if you guys want to check it out. And yeah, that's why it's important to start a side hustle so you could essentially be financially stable. Starting a side hustle also helps grow your experience in the business industry. So what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is essentially you can grow your work experience. So with a side hustle, it's a business, guys. So you get to grow your work experience. When you're getting a job or you're applying anywhere, they want to see you have a responsibility. Having a side hustle demonstrates and embodies that responsibility. And honestly, it grows your character. You really learn things. You learn strengths about yourself. You learn weaknesses about yourself. The experience is all that counts, guys. It's priceless, You get to understand whether you like the thing that you're trying to develop. And you develop leadership skills as well. So if you have employees, for example, and you got to manage them, that's leadership skills, guys. That's what people want to see, when you're applying somewhere. That's what people want to see. They want to see these leadership skills. They want to see your ability to manage other people. They want to see your ability to communicate. They want to see your ability in a team environment. They want to see your work ability with other people as well, because, most things are collaborative nowadays. It's important. It's essential. That's experience, guys. It's priceless. And starting a side hustle, you also get to understand your capabilities. It's a confidence boost, You get to grow your ego a little bit. You see the success, grows your ego. You get to explore your interests also. So if you're starting a side hustle, if you already started one, you understand that you're interested in it, or better yet, you understood that you weren't interested in it, then it's really beneficial as well. So that way you don't go into that industry wasting your time and then realizing later in your life that you're not interested in it and wasting your time studying it. So it's an insight to your future, guys. It's priceless. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If it was a benefit to you guys, please feel free to leave a like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you, guys. Peace out.